Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp app. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone, then tap three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and look for App Lock or Fingerprint Lock, depending on your phone's version. Now, toggle on Unlock with Fingerprint or App Lock. You can choose how long WhatsApp stays unlocked. Immediately after 1 minute or 30 minutes. Once turned on, you'll need your fingerprint or phone lock pin to open WhatsApp every time. If your phone doesn't have a built-in app lock, no worries. Just go to Settings, Privacy, and App Lock, or download a trusted app locker like App Lock by Do Mobile Lab from the Play Store. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.